Hello, you're looking at my Dyson vacuum cleaner, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the two filters in this vacuum cleaner. So first of all, you just need to remove the drum, the main drum that you remove to empty the dust and dirt out of the vacuum cleaner. So put that, take that off and put that to one side. And the first filter is a little blue tab there in the top there. Just push that blue tab up, and that will reveal the sponge filter at the back there. That sponge filter can actually be washed if you like. Now the second filter is down in the bottom of the machine, and you just need to just pop off that hose at the top, and there's a little clip there. Push that forwards, I suppose, and lift it up. And that makes it easier to remove this second section. So push that little tab down like that, and it just sort of pulls up, and there is the HEPA filter that that's removed and is going to be replaced as well. So there we go, there's the sponge filter coming out. It's quite black, that one. I think I've been vacuuming up soot with the vacuum cleaner. That's a sponge filter that can be washed, but today I'm just going to replace both of those filters. Now before I replace the filters, I'm just going to give it a bit of a wipe out inside to remove any of that dust that's in there. Wipe it all out both sides. Now I'm just going to use a dry cloth to wipe up any of the moisture from that first cloth. Just wipe it all out and get all the dust out of those two sections, and then I'll leave that to dry before I replace it with these filters. Now these two filters, I just bought that on eBay as one package. I think they're about $14 Australian for the two, including postage. So they're aftermarket filters, and just a matter of replacing them. Waiting for all that, waiting for it all to dry, of course, in there, and then just clipping it back together, and then taking the new HEPA filter. Yep, and that side, it goes down. The little tag is up, and you push that in like that, and then push back the cover back into place, and it's as simple as that. And next, just push that pipe back into place and clip on that little clip that holds the vacuum pipe in place, and then just the little drum, push that back into place as well, and there we go. Both filters have been replaced on your Dyson, and you're good to go for another, well, perhaps 12 months. I've had this vacuum cleaner for probably about 20 years, been replacing those filters every year, and yeah, the vacuum cleaner is still going strong. So yeah, that's how to replace those two filters. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye for now.